Baby Tales.
Hello, my fellow artists. Today, we've got an extra special treat for you. We're going to dive into the whimsical world of Despicable Me by drawing and coloring a minion. Let's kick things off by drawing the body of our adorable minion. Start with a slightly elongated oval shape in the center of your paper. This will be the base for our little troublemaker. Now, let's give our minion those big, expressive eyes. Draw 2 large circles near the top of the body, leaving a bit of space in between. Minions are known for their unique goggle-like eyes. Time to outfit our minion in those iconic denim overalls. Extend 2 vertical lines from the bottom of the body and connect them with a rectangle. Add some straps over the shoulders for that classic look. For the feet, add 2 small ovals at the bottom of the overall legs. Extend 2 curved lines on either side of the body for the arms, and draw simple 3-fingered hands. Let's bring our minion to life by adding the details: a wide, mischievous smile. Now comes the fun part: coloring. Minions are famously yellow, so grab your brightest yellow and color in the body. Add blue for the overalls, and don't forget the silver for the goggle frame, and black for the goggle strap. And there you have it, a mischievous, lovable minion ready to bring some joy to your artistic world. Remember, art is all about expressing yourself and having fun. Thanks for joining us, and be sure to subscribe for more fun art, tutorials, and creative adventures. Until next time, keep your artistic mischief alive and well.